Hello people, this is Nuki the Nuke and I am going to show you how to make a TNT cannon with no visible wiring. So basically you just dig out normal 8 block long trench like it would be if you're making a normal one, and then change this block to solid block. Then you're going to leave it here. Oh wait, it's something else, but just have to change the wiring slightly now. So let me go down here. I've already dug this out, I guess. Basically wanna place block there, block there, block there, and then redstone wire there, or dust or whatever, and then repeaters on either side, and then just that, and just sort of blocks down the sides, or the side even, and then just repeaters in all those, and then place redstone behind it. So yeah, basically just do that. That's the power of this block, which can power TNT power. I actually don't need this one, so there we go. See, it's up here there. Then just blow this one, you put that and torch. Make sure you don't have a TNT in it when you do that, otherwise you'll blow up. Peter, block, torch, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just time it whatever way you like, just as long as that one there is going before the rest of them, or after the rest of them, and just drawing your waste on wire as usual. So that's it, I believe. Just place your water, place your TNT, and fire. Should work. I know it wasn't a very good shot, but this enough to change the same power as a normal TNT cannon, just if you didn't have the glass here, you wouldn't be able to see the wiring. It's all on the ground. Not that better. But yeah. Anyways, that's me. See you later. Right guys, just wanted to show you one more thing. First of all, you don't actually need these 3 blocks if you're using the lever, but I want to show you how to use the button. So you would give it a lot, you need a block there, redstone on that block there, that's why you want to press the button, and then here you basically just lift these repeaters up one. So just that. And of course you could block the rest, make it smoother, whatever, and then let this escape. So yeah, that's how you use a button, just as easy. So see ya.